Hey everyone, so you need realistic voiceovers or you want to clone a voice for free. So this is the Fish.audio, Fish.audio you can open in your browser. So this is an ultimate AI tool for text to speech and also for voice cloning. So whether you are a marketer or content creator or just having fun. So this platform, this incredible AI tool is a game changer. So let's dive in. So you can open Fish.audio and click here on the top right and login, sign up and click go to create, or you can continue with GitHub or Google account. So I will create an account like this. And then we need to put the code here. So we will put code that you will receive on your email address. So once you put the code, now you need to type the password. So register with email. So now you can see we have joined it and you can see voice cloning, text to speech. You can also see from here, like if we click on text to speech. So instant speech, you can quickly convert short phrases into natural lifelike speech in an instant. Or you can also see advanced audio story. So effortlessly transform long text into immersive and expressive audio narratives. For example, also you can go to voice cloning. So first we go to text to speech and instant speech. So create, you can see like premium users can get this, and when using your text is here. So the text to be converted to speech. For example, now I will write here. My name is Umar Bhatt and my channel name is also this. I upload educational content related to web development, graphic designing, video editing, AI tools. So always free, maybe later. Video editing, AI tools, and digital media marketing. Learn and increase your professional skills with me. Now you can see here voice quality depends on the model. For better result, you can use a high quality model. Voice model here you can see V1.5. So select voice model. You can click here. Here you can see the recently you have used, and here you can explore. Okay, for example, my voice plus create voice collection. Okay, so just a minute. So we will go to select voice model, explore, and you can see here, like for example, energetic male. We can also select from these, famous personalities like Donald Trump and Elon Musk. So, and a lot of personalities, famous personalities. So you can use also their voice. So I will choose this energetic male. So use voice. Then click on create and generated audio will appear here. So
my name is Umar Bhatt and my channel name is also this. I upload educational content related to web development, graphic designing, video editing, AI tools, and digital media marketing. Learn and increase your professional skills with me.
It's awesome. It is really awesome. So we can see, download it from here. We can share it. See, it is downloaded. So if I open.
My name is Umar Bhatt and my channel name is also this. I upload educational content related to web development, graphic designing, video editing, AI tools, and digital media marketing. Learn and increase your professional skills with me.
And here you can see generated voices will appear here. So you can see here, for example, enter voice name like my voice, for example. Description optional, tag you can instant, input audio, upload or record. So you can record your voice using your own text or the suggested text below. So you can use this one, or you can, you can use your own, like click to start recording. So allow while visiting the site for microphones. My name is Umar Bhatt and I upload content related to web development, graphic designing, video editing, and digital media marketing. So stop recording and you can see here. My name is Umar Bhatt and I upload content related to web development, graphic designing, video editing, and digital media marketing. So stop. So you can create generated voices will appear here. So you can click on create. And must have a cover image, so we will add an image like this one and save it. Now create. So you can see we have built the voice latest activity, you can see succeeded. So so now you can see this text in my voice, like audio samples. You can see here, so click on play.
Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create engaging social media graphics using basic design principles. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate designer, these tips will help you stand out in the digital space.
It's amazing. Perfect. Like I want to build a good relation with my students so they can learn.
Hey everyone, today
generate sample.
I want to build a good relation with my students so they can learn a lot from me.
Amazing. Perfect. So you can save it, you can add audio sample also. So this is amazing. So now you can see my voices has been saved and I can use this voice anytime. So my voice library, voice cloning also we have checked, and we have also seen about the text to speech. So everything, it's perfect. This is the amazing website, that is Fish.audio. So you can use this website for text to speech and voice cloning purpose. So this is amazing. And if you are a content creator, so you can save a lot of your time. Instead of recording, just use voice cloning, sorry, and just convert the text into speech in your voice. I know you have learned a lot in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. They can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.